wherein we have f is a function from 1 comma 3 on R, which is a function defined by x with integer x upon x squared plus 1, where the symbol x within brackets denotes the greatest integer which is less than equal to x, and the range of f is. So basically the symbol x within the brackets denotes greatest integer. So we have to find the function, we have to find the range of f, wherein fx is the function we have been. So moving on, we have fx, x greatest integer x upon x squared plus 1. The function was mapped from 1 comma 3. Function was mapped from 1 comma 3 on R. So there are two possibilities where this can open. First we have 1 to 2. First, so basically there are three integers in between the range. We have 1, 2 and 3. So then in the input range we have three integers 1, 2 and 3. So first between 1 and 2 we see when x is less than 1, greater than 1 but less than 2, we have the greatest integer of this will x, this one over here will be 1, so this will open up as x. We have x upon x squared plus 1. And the second one, when x is greater than equal to 2 less than 3, then we have the greatest integer x as 2, so this becomes 2x upon x squared plus 1. So okay, so now to find the range, what we do is we put 1 in this equation. We get 1 upon 1 plus 1, which is 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2 on the downside, and then we put 2 over here, which is 2 upon 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, which is 2 by 5. So as you see, 2 by 5 is less than 1 by 2, so we write 2 by 5 over here, which gives us the first range, which is 2 by 5 comma 1 by 2. Then for the next one we put 2 in this equation, this one we get 2 into 2, 4 upon 2 square, 4 plus 1 5, which is 4 by 5. And 3 we put over here, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, we get 6 by 10, we get 6 by 10. So reducing it, we get 3 by 5. So again 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5, so we put it over as like this, 3 by 5 to 4 by 5. So the range of fx is open brackets 2 by 5 comma 1 by 2 union open 3 by 5 to closed 4 by 5. Remember, this is closed 4 by 5. As 2 we have less than or equal to 2, we are including 2 in the range.